Yeah, come here. Come here. Oh my goodness. You can do it. Wow. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at you. Ooh. You okay? It's okay. It's okay. Now you're just getting a little frustrated. You've been at this for a while. Haley, you are so strong. So strong. She wants to just keep going. Where are you going? Oof. Oof. Are you so tired? Are you so proud of yourself? Oh. Yeah. Oh, my sweet baby. I can't believe it. She walked all the way from that chair to like here and then over there and then you saw her coming back this way. Whoa, that's right. Whoa. Whoa. Uh-huh. And she falls and gets right back up. What are you going to? You travel? You getting into everything? Yeah. Hey, Haley, come here. Come here. Haley, come here. All right, you show off some more later? I love you. So proud of you. Ow. See ya. Bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. 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 He's so cute. Sweetie baby. I love you.